Hey my cuties and beauties, how are you guys? Y'all, it is super hot here in Kentucky, but I'm loving it because I got so much sun coming through today while I was doing these milk bath nails for y'all, and I thought they came out so cute that I had to get some footage outside so y'all can see how beautiful these nails look. So let's get right into this video. So guys, that set that you guys see up there in the top left hand corner is the Mia Secret set that I just did in my last video. So make sure y'all head on over, check that out, let me know what y'all think. And I had gotten some flowers, dried flowers from Amazon. I'll make sure that that's in the description link so that way you guys can purchase these if you want to. I feel like I got a good amount for what I paid for because I am gonna break it up and use smaller pieces and not use them in large pieces. But I went ahead and did the tips for these nails. Y'all see I'm makeshifting it up in here. I'm putting on my kids short tips, my active tips, and the long tips to make the tips the full length that I want it to be. But yes, this is the kit that I got from Amazon. It's 12 different compartments. They don't come with a lot, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna break up the bigger pieces to make smaller pieces so that way, you know, I'll have this for a little bit longer and not use them up all in one or two sets. So that mixture that y'all see there is 3 different polygels. I use the Your Sugar pink and clear, and I use my gel-in white to get that pink, like off-white, milky pink, milky white look, because I didn't want to just do a plain milky white milk bath nail. So that's that mixture that you guys see there. So now I'm gonna get to laying this polygel, and y'all keep on watching. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. So you guys, as I was working this mixture that I did, like the Your Sugar can be quite sticky from time to time. This mixture reminded me of how sticky that this polygel can be, even though I did put that gel in there. It really reminded me of how sticky it could be. So I was a little out of sorts when I was trying to create this set, and then it dawned on me, girl, remember using that Your Sugar, you gotta make sure your brush is pretty damp. So I just basically kind of like got myself together and started making sure that my brush was damp enough with the alcohol, not soaking wet, but damp enough to be able to work this polygel. But like I told y'all in the past, I'm getting a lot better keeping that mantra in my head, go light on the application, so I'm not having these bulky nails at the end and I have to do a ton of filing. But that's basically what I did here. If I didn't have enough, I just went in, got some more, and continued to lay that nail to get the desired shape and look that I wanted. Today, at first, like, I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna do these in coffin, but I haven't done a square nail like maybe once or probably twice on here for you guys to see. So I wanted to do some square nails today. This one is kind of on the big side because I picked up the wrong size tip and didn't realize it until after I had glued it down. So we're gonna make this thing work. At the end of the day, I thought it came out really cute regardless of it being on the big side, but it's all good. Y'all will see how pretty this nail looks. So y'all can see that consistency. I know it looks pretty like milky white here, but I do see that tone of pink. I'm thinking because I'm the one that mixed it and knows that that pink is in there, I can see that tone of pink. I do like the milky white milk bath nails, but I probably could have went a little bit more heavier on the pink, but I didn't want it to be overpowered. So I felt like it was the right like mix for me. So just trying to be non-traditional and not just do a plain white milk bath. I mixed that pink in there and I felt like it came out pretty cute. Next time I might go a little bit heavier with the pink, but with that same wet layer of polygel, I'm just going in with a damp brush and just laying these leaves and flowers in random places. I was thinking initially I wanted to do all 4 nails just completely milk bath with the flowers and stuff. But then I changed my mind and, you know, mid-stroke, like, no, I'm gonna do this, and that. Like, y'all, I have this book. I write down all my thoughts and ideas in there, and I don't look at the book until after I create the set. And the set is always different than what I thought of doing the first time, which is okay, because at the end of the day, I still think they come out really cute. I'm looking at myself grow and learn as I'm creating these nails, and I'm just so glad that y'all are on this journey with me and supporting me through this. So as always, thank you so much for, you know, watching and commenting and asking questions and subscribing to my channel. And I hope y'all stick around for more, because things are gonna get so much more fun and so much more interesting when I get to my new place, when we move and get my nail room all set up and stuff like that. So what I did after I cured that layer with the flowers on it, the trick about doing the milk bath nails is not to go in with another heavy layer up top. So I was just sporadically placing that mixture on different parts of the nail, and I'm just gonna pat, pull, push, smear all over to get these flowers covered, but not all the way covered to the point that it's another white coat on top of what's there and you can't see the flowers, which, you know, totally goes away from the milk bath effect that I'm looking for. So I know I'm definitely gonna do this again in the future. I have another idea of how to do this, probably gonna do it on myself, but as of right now, that's kind of up in the air, you know, with work and everything. But yeah, just keep on looking. Y'all will see me, you know, doing this. Again, having some issues with the memory on my phone. I lost some of the footage, but I was able to capture the majority of what needed to be captured. So I'm not upset about that. But basically, I'm just going in with itty bitty parts and pieces where I feel like I wanted or didn't have that milk bath effect. So I'm just gonna go in there with it and make sure my brush is damp enough and get that smeared on there, so that way I can get that look of a milk bath that, you know, I was going for. So in this first nail, it's just gonna be a full plain simple nail, but I wanted to almost do like a kind of like a French look on the other nail. So just stick around and y'all will see what that looks like in a little bit. So making sure that that was cured, so that way I'm not smearing up this nail as I'm handling the other nail. But you guys can see where I lost the footage, which is okay. But basically I put it in almost like a French, kind of creating a semi-circle or C-curve kind of smile line. And I'm just doing the same thing. I wanted to make sure that you guys saw like how I was creating that milk bath look by not going too heavy on that mixture, that mixture of product that I made, and smearing it down the nail in the places that I wanted it to be, so that way I can get the milk bath effect. So I'm just gonna work the same thing on all of the nails except for the second to last finger. I went ahead and kept that as a plain milk bath nail, but it's encapsulation time. So that clear your sugar polygel, that's basically what I'm encapsulating with for all of the nails, even the plain nail, because this is where I went in to make sure that the structure was there, the apex was there, that upper arch was there on this set. Yeah, I could have done this initially, but just for fear of, you know, the nail being super thick, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make sure I went thin on the product, and then I'm gonna build the strength where I need it with this encapsulation. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do to all 4 of these fingers, and then I'm gonna get to shaping and filing off camera. Yeah, make sure you wipe that inhibition layer off with this Your Sugar polygel because it's very sticky. But I went in with my shaping and filing, and which was pretty much a breeze because I'm getting so much better at product application. And y'all, I don't know why I be doing this. I'm sitting here trying to save this last little bit of Your Sugar no wipe top coat. Like, I don't have other top coats, and this was just taking too long. But I wanted to use up the last little bit, so y'all don't judge me, okay? I used up the last little bit of this this no wipe top coat, and it does look a little bit blurry. I didn't realize that until after I was filming, but it's okay. Everything will clear up in a little while. But I'm basically gonna put that top coat on, and then I'm just gonna do cuticle bling around all of the nails. So just sit back and enjoy. Y'all, I apologize, you know, about this blurriness, but like I said, it'll clear up in a little bit. But I did throw away that bottle of top coat. It is done, it's over. There was no need to be holding on to this thing and saving it. So what I decided, because I just felt like I didn't get a lot of coverage where I needed coverage, even though it looked good, I felt like I didn't get a lot of coverage in some areas. So I went and I pulled out my Voxury top coat. That was a top coat base coat set that I bought that the listing, girl, that's my baby, y'all. They're in here again with me doing another voiceover, but the listing on Amazon reflected it as though it was a 6-piece gel polish set, and when I got it, it was only top coat and base coat, and I felt like I was swindled. So I wrote a nice little review on their advertising was just horrible on that, but it's all good because I do like that base coat and top coat. But y'all will see in a minute, everything will clear up and you guys will see the brand of that top coat, and I'll make sure everything that I use today is down in the card so that way y'all can purchase it if you wanted to. But I went back in with that top coat on all of the nails and I put it for the full cure, and we'll get to some beautiful footage in a minute because I was just so smitten by these nails. I could not pass up the opportunity to get video of this thing outside and inside because they were just so pretty. Like, this is something I would want, you know, as a set to wear. And yep, there we go, it's all cleared up for y'all. But this is a set that I would want to wear and would definitely wear as stiletto, coffin, French, or square. It doesn't matter. Like, milk bath nails are just so beautiful, and I was glad to have had the opportunity to be able to try them out and see how pretty. Yeah, there it is. Voxury is the name of that, but see how pretty they came out and how pretty they'll look on my own nails if I were to do them. But Y'all should try these nails if you're a beginner like me. Again, I'm not a licensed technician, I'm not a professional, I'm just learning how to do nails myself because it's enjoyable. I like working with my hands and I like doing my own nails. So y'all should try it because it's easier than you would think that it is. Y'all see how I almost lost that practice hand? I don't know what happened, y'all, but I saved it. None of the nails were messed up. I didn't smudge anything. But yeah, your girl almost lost it just for a second there. Now look how absolutely pretty these nails look. Like, you guys can see that tinge of pink. I guess maybe I'm seeing it. Again, y'all, my girls are in here with me, so please, I'm sorry. But yeah, I can see it because I know that it's there, but it's not just a straight milky white, and that's what I loved about these nails. Again, I do not like curved nails. You can see that the nails are not super thick, so my application is getting a whole lot better, and I'm really proud of myself for that. But back to the curved nails thing. I don't like curved nails, but I'm doing what I can with what I have because I don't want to keep running through my Makartt tips. But these nails were so much fun and they were absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and keep watching. Again, thanks as always for subscribing. Thanks for sharing, thanks for commenting, thanks for watching my videos, and as always, I'll most definitely talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.